Okay, this is Unit 9, Module 25, point 2, slopes and perpendicular lines. So we need first find the coordinates of the problem. All right, so now since we now have the coordinates for each point. Now we need to find the slopes of XL, LM, MN, and NK. And the way to find them is the way how I'm doing it right now. Since we're doing KL first, we're gonna have to start from here, which I'm gonna call it point A to point B. So get this way, we need to count down from K, because K is up here and L is down there. All right. So we need to count down 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's down 4. So it's -4. And now we may go right, the right amount of direction. All right. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's down 4 over 6. So now we can write that down on the KL. So now we're doing LM. LM is pretty simple, just it's the same way but counting up this time. So it's 1, 2, 3. So it's 3 up, and it's going 2 that way. So there we go. Alright, so now we got 3 over 2 for LM. As you see, 3 up, 2 over. So now we're going for MN. So since the N is on the left side, we have to count down to M. Alright, so the same way as we did the first one, down 1, 2. Now we went down 2, so it's -2 over 1, 2, 3. Okay, now since we have almost all of them, now we need NK. To get NK, we need to start from N. So I'm gonna use a red one because this one's black. N to K. But since K is still on the left side, we need to count down from K. So we're doing it the same way again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now it's 5 down. Over. Now since this is closer, so it's 5 over 1. Pretty simple. Straightforward. It's not that much a hassle to do. So now in this case, it would be -5 over 1. If we could simplify now. And we could turn 4 over 6. I believe you could divide it by 2 on both sides. So it will be like it will most likely turn into 2 over 3. -2 over 3. And that will end up equaling to -2 over 3. Obviously, it will end up equaling M and N, since this is also 2 over 3. But we can also simplify -5 over 1, so it's pretty obvious in terms of -5. I believe there's a word for it, but I can't remember the correct vocabulary. So we're just gonna leave it at that. So that's my first video. That's video 1. But before this is over, so far we just learned that 2 sides are equivalent or equal or parallel, if you want to say, but 2 sides are not. So it has 1 parallel parallels and 1. I believe it's I can't remember or put my finger on the correct vocabulary. So my apologies. All right.